Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Growing a blob to its maximum size can refer to a variety of contexts, such as in database systems, game development, or even in programming languages that handle binary large objects, blobs. In this tutorial, I will focus on using a blob in a SQL database context, specifically in PostgreSQL, and provide a code example to demonstrate how to create, insert, and manipulate a blob until it reaches its maximum size. What is a blob? A blob, binary large object, is a data type that can store binary data, such as images, audio files, or any other type of binary data. In PostgreSQL, blobs are typically stored in a special data type called bytea. Steps to grow a blob to max size. 1. Set up PostgreSQL database *. Ensure you have PostgreSQL installed and running. Create a database to work with. 2. Create a table with a blob column *. Define a table that will store the blob data. 3. Insert data into the blob column *. Write a function to insert large data into the blob column until you reach the maximum size. 4. Retrieve and verify the blob size *. Retrieve the blob data and check its size. Step-by-step tutorial. Step 1. Set up PostgreSQL database. Make sure you have PostgreSQL installed. You can create a new database using the following command in the PostgreSQL command line interface, psql. SQL. Create database blob _example. Step 2. Create a table with a blob column. Connect to your database and create a table. SQL. \c blob _example. Create table blobs. ID serial primary key. Data bytea. Step 3. Insert data into the blob column. You can write a function in Python using the scikpage2 library to insert data into the blob column until it reaches its maximum size. Python. Import scikpage2. Import OS. Def grow _blob _to max _size. Connect to PostgreSQL database. Con equals scikpage2.connect, name equals blob _example, user equals your _username, password equals your _password. Cursor equals con.cursor. Create a byte array of a specific size. Max _blob _size equals 231 GB limit for PostgreSQL bytea. Chunk _size equals 1024 1 KB. Total _data equals byte array. While len, total _data, max _blob _size. Add a new chunk of data. Total _data.extend, os.urandom, chunk _size, add random data for demonstration. Insert blob data into the database. Cursor.execute, insert into blobs, data, values, %s, scikpage2.binary, total _data, comma. Con.commit. Print, inserted blob of size, len, total _data. Cleanup. Cursor.close. Con.close. If _name _equals _main _. Grow _blob to max _size. Step 4, retrieve and verify the blob size. You can retrieve the blob and check its size. Python. Def retrieve _blob _size. Connect to PostgreSQL database. Con equals scikpage2.connect, name equals blob _example, user equals your username, password equals your password. Cursor equals con.cursor. Cursor.execute, select data from blobs where ID equals 1. blob_data equals cursor.fetchOwn, 0. Print, retrieved blob size, len, blob_data. Cleanup. Cursor.close. Con.close. If __name == main __. Retrieve _blob _size. Summary. In this tutorial, we covered the fundamentals of working with blobs in PostgreSQL. We created a table with a blob column, inserted data into it until we reached the maximum size, and retrieved the blob to verify its size. You can modify the chunk _size or the maximum size depending on your application needs. Additional notes. Always be cautious about the size of blobs you are working with, as they can consume a significant amount of database storage. Consider using external file storage for very large files and store only references in the database. Be sure to handle exceptions and manage database connections properly in production code.